Okay, I finished my drawer fronts. I upholstered them with material that we had around the house here to give them all a different pattern and a different look. I also clear coated them in a Modern Masters satin to help their longevity and keep them from wearing as much. I've incorporated some Castaway Club straps, just a hint of travel, a hint of safari with the animal print, and then some of the material that matches what's going to be on the cushions, and some leather, and then all of my fake luggage hardware on them as well. This piece will go under the pantry area, and then these will actually go under the wardrobe area. So, looking pretty cool.